I just feel like they need that extra, you know, it's spring, man, it's spring cleaning, you know, yeah. Sanmonani guys, and welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Angel, and today I want to give you my 17-month lock update. And since here in South Africa we're entering into the hot season, I want to give you my spring/summer plans that I have for my locks. So I've been locked for 1 year 5 months. You know, I actually don't understand this thing of counting in months after 12 months. I mean, you've hit a year like this. I don't get it, but I wanted to say both ways, you know, to accommodate everybody, because I won't lie, I don't get it, man. It's like, I just don't get it. Anyway, I have to say, for me, this journey has been a breeze. Like, I'm in my element, I'm in my happy place, give it in, give right. Like, Locs and me are just, you know, like that. Like, I just get it. Yeah, so the last time I sort of not really gave an update was when I talked about my lock journey, and it was the first time I was talking about it. So I did a 15-month lock journey. So that was the last time. So since then, now I want to give an update on what has been happening with my hair. And firstly, I want to talk about length. Right, so now what I've seen is right, the ones right at the back, like, they're not just falling on my shoulders, they're going down just a little bit. You know, I don't want to pull them, because like when I pull them it's extra, so they just sit on my lock, on my shoulder. Yeah, so see, when I pull them down, they on my collarbone. So those are, you know, going down there, and I just did a retwist, so they're all kind of falling down now. But what happens, like, other times is they even curl up, because they'll be chilling on my shoulder and then they'll curl up, so it's a very awkward time. But hey, they're growing, right? And then the ones right on the top of my head are falling down past my eyes, so that's also kind of cool. I'm not in a rush though for them to be like super long or anything. I'm just enjoying like how they're growing, but it's nice to see. It's nice to see the change, and because they're getting longer, they're getting heavier as well, and I can feel it when I'm like moving them around, and that's like my new thing right now. Yeah, so that's it for length. Right, and the next thing I want to talk about is retwisting. So I retwist every 2 weeks, right? That's what I've been doing since I've had my hair on my own. Yeah, I think that's good for me, but I wanted to have more time between my retwists. I don't know, I just felt like I don't want to be having too much tension on my scalp. So yeah, but then what happened is I started working out, and like what happens with working out is that your retwists just unravel because of the sweat and stuff. Like the retwists just don't go hand in hand with gym. So I think I'll just stick to that. But now another thing that happens with working out is that I need to wash my hair more often, because yeah, they don't smell so good. The sweat, yeah, it just does the wrong things to the hair. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try wash them like every week now, and then retwist every 2 weeks, which also brings me to a point where I use coconut oil for my retwist and maintenance. So I think I need a stronger oil, because coconut oil is very light oil, and I think that's why I liked it so much, like it even now so much, because it's so light and you don't really feel like you have so much product in your hair. But because now of working out and because it's getting warmer, I think I might have to get like a thicker oil, maybe like a castor oil. I don't know, I'm still gonna experiment and then I'll tell you about it. But yes, I think those are the changes that I might be having to make with regards to my retwist. And now I want to talk about how to check moisture. Right, my moisture routine is a very basic one. I use just water and coconut oil, like I said previously. I just spray water every day on my hair with a little bit of coconut oil, and then depending on how dry my scalp is or how dry like the ends of my locks are, then I'll just put a little bit more of coconut oil and then I'm done. So it's not like a lot, but again, because we are moving into the warmer seasons, I might change that up. It's just that I have this thing where waste not, want not, right? I don't like leaving products, you know, till I have to throw them out. I feel like that's so wasteful. So right now I have like my jars like that big and there's like that much coconut oil left. So I think I just want to finish that off, and then obviously once I've finished it off I need to get these products, and then yeah, I think that'll be like maybe in a month or 1.5 months. Yeah, then I'll just have to get new products and start experimenting with that. Right, and then the last thing that I want to talk about is my my spring/summer maintenance, because it's summertime and things have to change. It's not the same now as it was in winter. So yeah, first things first, I think, like I also just mentioned, is that I want to wash my hair more often, because I'm not trying to have sweaty locks. I'm not trying to have them smell, you know, I'm not trying to be that girl. Yeah, so I'm going to wash them more often. And then yeah, I think I want to get into what's it called, scarves. Yeah, I want to get into scarf styling, and I've seen like really cool, you know, girls out there with these, you know, they wrap their hair up but then it also pokes out in some places. I really want to get into that, which is also going to help with just getting my hair off of my shoulders and my neck, like as it gets really hot. Also, I might style my hair, but hey, I don't know, I think I have like some PTSD from styling for like a straight 9 months, and I really just want my hair to flow and hang. But yeah, maybe once I'll style my hair up. And then also up for this hot season is a rinse. I think I want to do an ACV rinse or some kind of deep cleanse for my locks, because I think with winter, even though I wash my hair like every 2 weeks, which I think is sort of often, I just feel like they need that extra, you know, it's spring, man, it's spring cleaning, you know. Yeah, so I think I'll do that, but I will update you on that as well. Yeah, I just don't know, is it not too soon to do that with 17-month lock, 17-month-old locks? Is it not too soon? But yeah, I'll just do my research and then yeah, I'll get back to you on that. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching till this far. If you did enjoy the video, please like it and subscribe. I mean, if you made it up to here, I mean, come on now, be part of the family. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your bell notification, because every Wednesday I do videos like this and body talk, and on Saturdays is where I sing for you, so you do not want to miss that. Thank you again for watching this video and stay blessed.